teacher.
Hello, potato. Can you hear teacher?
Yeah,
Okay, how are you today?
I'm great.
You're fine. Okay, that's good to hear. You are fine. All right, potato, are you ready for our class this evening? Ready, ready? Okay, so here we go. All right, so here we go. Let me share to you the screen so we can start with our lesson for this evening. All right, there you go, potato. We are now at unit number 15. Can you see my screen?
Yeah,
Okay, what is unit 15 all about? Unit 15, go.
move.
Okay,
Move it.
fun for movers. What
Fun for move it. In
unit?
listen and talk. Oh,
Okay, unit 15 at our school. Very good. Okay, here we go. First, we have to do the vocabulary words. Potato, what's the first word we have?
ball.
Board. Correct. This one, what is this?
Map.
Map. Okay, great. And what is this? It's a
Rock.
rubber. Okay, so board is what we see in the school where teacher writes. Map is you will use this if you go to a place which you don't know. Okay, and then rubber. What's the use of rubber, potato? Potato, what's the use of the rubber? Rubber is used for?
This for skateboard.
Again, it's for?
For wait.
Good job.
What's the use of rubber? Rubber is used for?
Bago po.
How do we use the rubber? If?
Cái tẩy luôn để áo dưới luôn để xóa với mi
Okay, what is it?
với mi
Okay.
Delete.
Italy
Okay, it is used to erase.
Italy
Erase. Okay. Next. This one, potato. What's this? It's page. Again. What's page? Correct. Next. What's the next?
point
Okay. Tick and point. Use your finger to point. All right. Next, potato. What is this?
bathroom
Okay. Bottom. Next. River and road. Very good. Next, potato. What's this?
mistake
Okay, mistake. different, and correct. Do you understand these words? Okay, do you know these words now? Potato?
No.
No? Yes or no? Okay, here, all right. Here, potato, we have here what we call past simple tense. If we say past simple tense, this is how we say the sentence or the words which are done already, past. Okay? So here, we use the be verbs was and were plus the subject. All right, we don't use is and are because is and are is for present tense and for future tense. But if we say past tense, meaning things that happened already, we use past, was and were. Okay, look at here, potato. We have here the past simple tense spelling rule. So here we have the infinitive word. If we say visit, can you see it? Here, visit, that's present. If it's in the past, we add ed or d. Okay, love will become, what's this?
Carpet.
Love, not loved, loved. Okay, but potato, if the word ends with a vowel and letter Y, add ed. Look at here, oh, enjoy. Vowel and Y, add ed. Enjoyed. Understand? But if the word ends with a consonant and letter Y, you're going to change the Y and add IED, like study. D is a consonant. Y is, we have here Y as the last letter. Then we change the Y, change it to IED. Studied. Okay? But if it's one syllable, that what one syllable word, and then it ends with a vowel and letter and a consonant, we double the consonant too. Example, but, vowel, consonant, double the consonant, add ed. Next, potato. How about if it's two syllable? Commit, two syllable. If it's a two syllable word, you double the last letter and add ed. Okay? That's how the spelling rule of changing the noun. Oh no, not the noun. The verb into a past tense. Okay? Now here, potato, look at here. Okay, here. Potato. Can you write your answer? Change the word, the present word to its past tense. For example, look. It ends with a vowel and a consonant. It will turn look. Okay? Now, potato, can you answer? Okay, how about love?
Hỏi tay ngữ là học gì trong
Okay, love. What are we going to add to love to make it past tense? Okay, how do you write it? Can you write? No? Okay, look, love, add D. It will turn into, please read. Please read, potato. Love, loved. Again. Love, potato. Loved. How about liked? What is the past tense of liked?
Like it. Like
Adi. Not like it. It's like. Again, say it. Like. Again, like. Next, how about talk?
like
What are we going to add to talk? D or ED? What are we going to add? Letter D or ED?
E.
It's ED. Talked. Again. What is that? Talked. Again. Okay, next. How about dance? What are we going to add to the word dance? D or ED? Again, it's D. Okay, danced. How about answer? D or ED?
E.
D only?
Yeah.
D or ED? It's ED, answered. How about what is the past tense of go? Go is? What is the past of go? It's going. It's, please read.
E. Wait.
Went. Again. Okay, how about get? Get.
E.
Get is, please read.
Got.
Got. Okay, how about see? Past tense of see. What is this?
Saw.
See, saw. How about run? What's the answer? Run. What's the past tense of run? Please read. It's run. How about drink? What's the past tense of drink? Drink is
Drink it.
drunk. Then drunk. How about eat? What is the past tense of eat? Eat is, how do you read it? It's ate. Again. Okay. Okay, potato, look at here. I have here sentence 1 to 5. You're going to write the word being described in each number. For example, potato, read the example. You can play. Go. Please read. You can play.
Can predict ten kind of the only guitar or piano music.
Music. Okay, how about number 1?
Then all can do for
Okay, what's the answer?
on it.
What's the answer?
Six.
Huh?
Ten.
What's the answer?
Ten.
Are you sure? Number 2 is stick. This is on the classroom wall. The teacher writes on it. Where does the teacher write?
Tôi linh tinh bảo nhá, đây ấy. Nghe thấy không?
Page.
Again?
Page.
Okay, number 2. These are. How about number 2? Potato.
They are in books and often have numbers on them.
What's the answer? At the bottom. These,
Linh tinh bảo nhá.
these are in books and pages. Right, number 2. Next, ano? Is it number 2? It's number 3. Wait me. What's your answer again? Number 1, potato? Potato. What's your answer, number 1?
Number one is that on the classroom wall and the teacher write on it.
Okay, what's the answer?
Page.
Page.
Yeah.
It's on.
Write on it.
Oh, it's on the wall. Page can't be seen on the
Page.
wall.
Page.
Okay, how about number 3? When you make mistake, go.
When you make a mistake with a pencil, you need it. A rubber.
Okay. Next, number 4.
Teacher put play as the error correct answer in the text.
What's the answer?
Text.
Okay. 5.
Xuống. Có đây ạ.
What's 5?
We look at this to find road and river at time.
Sounds. Okay. All right, potato, are you ready to check your answer?
Yes, yes.
Okay,
yes.
number 1. This is on the classroom
Wait
wall.
me.
Okay.
Number one is a ball.
Okay, number 1 is a board. With me. I write your answer number. Okay, are you now ready to check? Let's check now.
Yeah.
Okay, number 1. This is on the classroom wall and the teacher writes on it. The answer is very good. It's a board. Number 2. These are in books and often have numbers on them at the bottom. What's the answer number 2 again, potato? Number 2 is?
Page.
Okay, pages, not page, pages. Next.
Pages.
Okay, next. Number.
Subject supported at the end of correct and answer in text.
Okay, what's the answer?
Text.
Here. No, it's not thick. It's a. Your answer is correct. What's the answer? It's a rubber. Next, number 4. What's number 4?
Something supported at the end of the correct answer the test.
Answers in tests. What's the answer?
Take.
Okay, ticks. Number 5, we look.
We look at it to find out every word on time. Map.
Okay, perfect. Very good, Potato. Easy or difficult? Was it easy or difficult?
Easy.
Okay, easy peasy. Okay, how about this one? How about let's try to continue this one. Okay, on Tuesday morning, come on, please read. Potato, on Tuesday morning,
Thomas it came into the Sam and said, "Hello, I got a Mr. Fuzzy from Miss Street. She'd like you to answer the question on 6, 6 and 7.
okay, what's the answer? She'd like you to answer questions on blank 66 and 67 of your homework. What's the answer?
Pay.
Pages. Again, pages.
Pages.
Okay, this is your number 1. Next, they're about, come on, please read.
About the word long river. Missy didn't go today. She talking the radio about playing role and picture game in school lesson. It's very exciting.
Next, number 2. Mr. Skip. What's number 2, Potato? Mr. Skip, blank, some?
No.
You don't know? Okay, you proceed to the next one. The maps. Go. You read that. The maps.
Wendy, 2 is pointing.
Okay, 2 is pointed. Okay, next. The maps.
Map is not can have you can have also on internet. He said Nick
was blank.
happy.
Happy. Okay, next.
Happy.
Okay, next. Happy because he loved working on computers. Okay, next, Potato. That evening.
Top.
Again, that evening, please read.
That evening he found the answer machine. Working on one of fabric directions.
Websites. Next.
When Miss Street came back to school, she talked
About, come on, please read.
about
Her
her exciting day when they looked at everyone's homework. They
what?
and What great answer, she said. You have a lot of
Again? Chicks.
hay.
Okay. Potato, you enter again to the Zoom class and we are going to check your answer, okay?
Okay,
Enter again. One.
okay. Slow. Slow.